Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. Today I'm about to blow your mind by showing you how to make thousands or even millions of dollars using just one prompt in DeepSeek R1. Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's totally possible. Now, you've probably heard about DeepSeek R1 and how it's giving GPT a run for its money. Why? Because it's trained on the latest data, making it super accurate and insanely powerful. And today I'm going to show you how to use it to create high-quality ebooks that you can sell on platforms like Instagram, Telegram, or even Fiverr. The best part, you can do this in just 2 to 3 minutes. Let me give you an example. Say you want to create an ebook for fitness enthusiasts, something you can easily sell on fitness Telegram channels or Instagram pages that promote workout plans and online courses. Here's how you do it. First, start your prompt by introducing a famous pioneer in the field. For example, I used Jeff Cavaliere.
Yeah, buddy!
Then I explained who Jeff is and what he does. After that, I wrote, imagine you're Jeff Cavaliere and you're creating an ebook about the best science-backed workout routines. Next, I listed everything I wanted in the ebook. A full week workout schedule, the right sequence for training muscles and performing exercises, proper techniques for each exercise, sets, reps, and rest times for every move, breathing techniques to maintain energy levels during workouts, warm-up routines, and post-workout stretches, the ideal workout duration, and of course, a killer diet plan to go with it. Boom! DeepSeek R1 generated exactly what I asked for. Now, all you have to do is copy the content, head over to Canva, and design your ebook. Add some cool pictures, maybe even use Leonardo.ai to create custom images for the exercises, and voila! You've got a professional-looking ebook ready to sell. You can sell these ebooks on social media platforms like Instagram, Telegram, or Facebook. Don't have a big following? No problem. You can create one or even reach out to fitness influencers and offer to create ebooks for them. You can also list your ebooks on Fiverr and start making money right away. Oh, and by the way, I used fitness as an example, but you can do this for any niche you're passionate about. Cooking, travel, personal finance, you name it. The possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating, start selling, and start making that money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this.